Hello, joining me today is Simon from Fluke, a test and measuring company. Simon, tell us about yourself.
I'm Simon, I work for Fluke. I'm the technical sales manager for Fluke, and I've worked for them for 28 years, and I specialise in thermal imaging.
On new boiler installations, we have to make sure the system is clean. What is the best way to do that?
The best way to verify that you have successfully cleaned the system is by using thermal imaging. Thermal imaging gives a very intuitive picture of a temperature map of your radiator. So it's very easy to see cold spots where the residue has not been flushed out.
Simon, how does this thermal imaging help the engineer and the customer?
Well, it provides the engineer with quality assurance that he has done the job right, but also it provides the customer peace of mind that they've got a professional in. They can show before and after pictures, so they can show the temperatures before of the radiators and then do a like-for-like picture afterwards showing the improvements.
Simon, how does that benefit the environment?
Well, it benefits the environment in a number of ways. Firstly, if you don't do a proper flush on your central heating system, that sludge gets back through to the boilers and it shortens the lifetime of the actual boiler. So you're paying more to replace your boiler ahead of time. Equally, if it's not flushed through all your radiators, then each individual radiator is not working to 100% efficiency. So you're not converting all the energy that you're paying for into heat. There is a last thing for thermal imaging as well, that it can be used to trace water leaks and underflow piping as well. It detects temperature.
How does this benefit the heating engineer?
Well, it benefits the heating engineer in the same way it benefits the customer. The heating engineer can test before and after and see that each and every radiator within the overall system has been flushed completely. For any radiator that has still got residue left behind, then you're not going to get the heat efficiency out of those radiators.
I hope you enjoyed that. Thanks very much. This is your opportunity to rate us. Drop us a like if you think it was good. Leave us a comment, subscribe, share it with someone you think you might like it, and we'll see you soon.